So Canada just got a really big snowstorm here. We had 40 centimeters fall, and it was predicted up to 60 centimeters, and it is absolutely crazy outside. I was walking out here now. Where I am is mostly plowed, but I will show you guys what it looks like out here. So, this is what the plows have scooped up. It's quite a bit of snow. There's ice everywhere, and it is crazy out here. Just look at that. Super cool. I love when it snows like this. I only like it for a short period of time because it does get quite annoying having to shovel and clean up after this mess, but this is snow here. It's crazy. Kind of want to climb up it just to see what it's like up at the top, but this is quite a public place. You know what? Screw it. We're gonna climb up here. Not even wear winter shoes, but climb up this big snow hill. Better look at. Wow, this is crazy. You better look from up here. Whew. That's a lot of snow. Wow. Charlottetown got hit hard. There's not many people out on the roads. This is usually a pretty busy spot, but everyone's staying inside because ain't nobody wanna climb through all of this. I see a lot of people shoveling too. It's kind of crazy. Other people are looking at me like, who's this weird guy climbing up on the snow hill? So I'm gonna get down here. I see some people looking. Woo. Oh, so there you have it. Oh, big snowstorm, January 7th and 8th, Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island, Canada. I love when it snows. It's always a fun time going and seeing all the snow after. It was real cool. Whew. It is quite cold. It's still -5 out, but I'm hoping that it warms up because I want the roads to be a little bit better. They're very messy when I went around earlier. There's nobody on the roads because some of these areas are quite snowy, but there it is. That was a little trip around in Charlottetown right after a snowstorm. So hope you guys like that. Whew. Back in the car now. It is cold out there. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.